And yeah, I mean, as you mentioned, it's going to be a rainy weekend, Audrey. Unfortunately, it's going to be heavy rain. It's going to be lightning, and there is a flooding threat here in the area. And it's been a while since we've had that kind of threat. So we're going to go into the detailed forecast, and let's talk about that right now. It starts out mostly cloudy on our Wednesday. We are halfway through the week, and there is no rain out there right now. And as a matter of fact, we're not expecting much in the forecast today or tomorrow. There may be a sprinkle, maybe a light shower tonight or tomorrow morning. But it's not until Friday night things get active, and it's going to mark consecutive days of active weather through early next week. In the meantime, 75 at the airport, 76 at Stinson. Northeast winds at 7 miles an hour. It's cloudy, it's overcast, it's gloomy and gray. And despite the clouds, temperatures have warmed up. We're in the 70s right now in San Antonio, 85 at Pearsall, 75 at Kerrville. 70, let's say 6 at Floresville, and 81 at Del Rio. So it's pretty warm out there, but thanks to cloud cover, we're not going to get all that hot. We'll make it up to about 85 in San Antonio, which is right on the money for average this time of year in early to middle May. By 3 and 4 p.m., the skies will start to clear out a little bit, so we'll see partly cloudy skies, a nice end to your Wednesday, and then by tonight it's dry but mostly cloudy after about sundown. So here's the radar. It is quiet in San Antonio. There are a few storms and showers, non-severe. The farther east down I-10 you go towards Columbus, towards Katy and Houston. So if you are traveling down I-10 later on today, it's where most of the rain will be more widespread, more abundant on the radar. And some of this is producing lightning, but again, no severe activity expected this evening, even east of San Antonio. But it gets active. Tomorrow, remember, 20%, maybe a sprinkle. On Friday, that 50% chance at rain and storms, primarily in the late evening, late night hours after 7 p.m. And then it stays active Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. And as a matter of fact, our year-to-date rainfall is 8.39. We could easily rack up about 3 to 4 inches of rain between Friday night and Sunday morning. Here's the radar for this afternoon, middle 80s, mostly quiet, partly cloudy skies. By tomorrow morning, there may be a sprinkle embedded in some of this cloud cover, but otherwise very dry. And then as we fast forward into Friday, that's when it gets active. Now, again, not in the morning, not in the afternoon, but Friday night is when we're pinpointing for a pretty good chance at storms. San Antonio is included Friday night for a marginal risk of severe weather, a better risk out west between here, Del Rio, down Highway 90 towards Laredo and Eagle Pass. Let's kind of show you how that plays out. Again, quiet for the next 2 days. Friday morning, light rain. Friday afternoon, some sunshine. That'll get things going out west in northern Mexico, and then I'll start to move farther east towards San Antonio. Now, how much rain are we looking at? It looks like between 4 to 6 inches is possible between now and next Tuesday. So again, between now and next week, it's going to be active, and some flash flooding is certainly possible. Here's the 7-day forecast. 85 today, 88 on Thursday, some sunshine through tomorrow, and best chance at rain Friday night, and that continues Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and backing off by the middle of next week. So, Alana, that's going to create a lot of problems on the road, but right now, are we looking good?
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
I know.